Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Guess what today is? Tax day! I'm so excited, aren't you? All right, let me tell you what's coming up. Okay, so we're not doing an unboxing today because we are spending 6 hours, yes, 6 hours doing our taxes. That's usually how long it takes us because we have so many craziness and I'm like, why do they have to make it so complicated? Somebody figure this out. Anyway, okay, rant over. So we're doing taxes today. So in honor of us slaving away, you get to shop away. So 30% off everything on hookedonpickin.com. So go straight to hookedonpickin.com. You get 30% off the entire store for today and today only. It ends at midnight. Tax day, tax day, tax day savings. So since you may or may not be getting a refund, we won't be. We won't be. We never get a refund. So we're excited. So as you can see, we've got tons of stuff here and then also online for tax day. We're also going to go upstairs, show you a lot of the things that we kind of have for sale on our high bid auction. So that is up and running. So today is the last full day. It ends on Thursday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. And so, you know, about little more than 24 hours from now is when this video is dropping. You will have the opportunity to bid on the high bid auction stuff, and we're really, really pleased with it. We've already gotten really great feedback from a lot of the customers that have signed up already, saying it's just so nice to look at the item, see the title, and then boom, just click the button to bid instead of having to send in an email, wait for a response from us. It's just way more streamlined. We're really, really pleased with it. And we're just super excited because now we can just offer more things for you guys to buy. So 30% off everything on hookedonpickin.com. So while we're doing the tax day dance, that's the tax day dance. You can be shopping on hookedonpickin.com and getting 30% off. Shall we go upstairs and check out all the things that we're doing upstairs? Let's go. All right, so as you can see, they framed in this door finally. We're still work in progress up here, but we are almost done. They just pretty much have to do baseboards in this room, is it? So I'm really excited. See all the things on the table? That's all on high bid auction. So we used to do the table bids where we would have 20 different items that you would email. We would email you back, say you've been outbid, and now you're the highest bidder, and the outbid, and the highest bidder, and all that. Well, now you have over 200 items on this auction already available to you, and we can do shipping. Now it's our first high bid auction that we've ever done, so it may take us a little bit to get you your invoice, but usually the invoice will get sent shortly after the auction closes. We'll send all the invoices out, and then also including the shipping.
It's supposed to charge your card instantly.
Yep.
There's going to be an initial charge for, hey, okay, these are the things you won, boom. Mm-hmm. And then we'll do a shipping charge right after that, right, once we get it all boxed up.
Right,
so,
right. Yep, yeah. I've even had one customer, they were like, how come I got a $1 charge on my card? I think they just do that when you first sign up to verify your card.
Right.
So don't be alarmed by that. What they do is they do a $1 charge and then a $1 refund. Yep. Is how they do it.
They're trying to do that to make sure you're not a robot or a scam or something.
So once you're signed up though, you're good to go. And then every time you want to do an auction, which we're going to try to do one every week, our goal is to have around 200 to 300 items. We hit 200 this time.
205 I did.
205, fancy schmancy.
Look at that.
But it's just really cool because Paul takes all the photos with the measuring tape and stuff like that, so you know what size it is. I
do take multiple photos. It just shows you the first initial one. You got to click on it to see the multiple photos.
The item. Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
And sometimes I try to put measurements in there. I do my best that I can.
Mm-hmm. But it's been really cool, and we're utilizing this new space up here for all of the high bid stuff, and so
great space, loving it.
We're very excited about it. So like I said, as far as renovation goes, they're going to finish mudding and taping and painting this doorway here.
Yep.
They will hang the doors. I think that's supposed to be getting done by next week. Then we will put all the baseboards on, and then we're pretty much done other than calling the plumber and installing the bathroom up here.
That's all they have to do up here.
Yep, that's it. Yep.
A little bit of mud and tape, doors, and then the
baseboards.
The baseboard.
Yep.
And then after that, I think the flooring in the bathroom's done too.
The flooring is in the, we haven't shown them that. Let's go ahead and show them that. So
he came and did that already, so
So this will be our break room. We will eventually put a countertop up here, but for right now we just have tables.
We're going to have a shipping station. A lot of people ask, why are you moving your shipping all upstairs? We're going to have 2 shipping stations, one for shipping the
this
stuff
will be
that's up
high
there.
bid stuff so that we're not carrying the delicate items downstairs.
Correct.
We're going to box it all up into your box, then we'll carry the box downstairs.
And then we've toyed around with a dumbwaiter system, but I don't know yet.
We'll see.
So like a little elevator for the product, not a person, but just the product. So.
Here is our bathroom floor. I really like the flooring he put in here.
Yeah.
Yep. I just ordered vents, so I got to put the vent in.
Can you see downstairs?
You can see that's the top of the bathroom, the ceiling to the bathroom downstairs.
Yeah.
There's like a gap between the floor.
Oh yeah, there is.
Because there's a water heater there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why. Yep.
Cool.
So yeah. And then that one's not really attached to anything, but these vents actually go down to the ductwork. So these you can actually feel blowing the cold air up. So
that's nice.
Yep. So yeah. All right.
Yep.
So we're super excited. Make sure you go to HiBid. I put the link down in the description of this video. You can also go to HiBid, it's HIBID, and then you can search for a company name.
Yeah, you can't just type in our name. I've tried that multiple times. You have to go to company search. There's a company search little tab a little bit below their main search.
And then you just type in Hooked on Pickin. And
yeah, you can search all kinds of different ways. So far, I'm liking it. After this first sale, we'll really know, okay, how did we do this? How did we do that?
One thing that we did discover too is that once you get to our page, you'll see our big Hooked on Pickin logo. So you know it's our stuff. And then they made us our own personal landing page. And so that's really cool. And then that shows all the auctions that we've done past and future. Right now there's only one because it's our first one. But then when you get onto our auction, you can actually search for specific things. So if you're looking for crystal, you can type in crystal and it'll list all the crystal items. So that's actually a lot more convenient too. So you don't have to scroll through all 200. Yeah. You can just type in crystal and see all the crystal items we have.
And a lot of people are thinking, oh, at 7 o'clock it just stops. No, 7 o'clock it actually starts. The first item will sell at 7 p.m. And then every 25 to 30 seconds later, another item will sell. So it gives you a little bit of time. It actually will take about an hour and a half tomorrow night for it to finally sell.
And it basically kind of closes in order somewhat.
It does. Well, if somebody bids
in the last 30 seconds,
I think it's the last minute. I can't really remember. But it'll put it back in there for another minute. So I actually been buying on HiBid and been enjoying it. So I thought, you know what? I bet you our people would like this too.
Yeah, yeah. We have a guy that we buy from that's a local pickup. So we find some unique items that way.
And I have found, I think we had 80 people from Hooked on Pickin that came over on this sale, but I've got like 20 local people. So for them, it's really easy. They just show up and pick the item up. So that's pretty neat too. So.
Well, we're really excited about offering that. Also, don't forget 30% off hookedonpickin.com today and today only to make you just smile a little bit on tax day instead of crying bitterly, weeping and gnashing of teeth.
It's good to pay our taxes.
It is.
Right? Render unto Caesar what is Caesar's. I don't know where Caesar is. Do we have a Caesar? Do we what? What happened?
You know what? Tonight can we?
We have a governor and a president.
You know what? I think tonight we should eat Little Caesars.
We're gonna eat Little Caesars. Is that in protest of paying taxes?
Yes.
Is Little Caesar still a thing? I don't even know. Where's the Little Caesars at?
It's over in Fairview Heights.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I bought Little Caesars. We should eat Little Caesars.
We have prayer meeting tonight. We should have Little Caesars pizza at prayer meeting.
We should, because we're rendering unto Caesars.
What is Caesars? That is awesome.
We should do that. That'd be fun.
100% we should.
All right, awesome. Thanks so much for joining us on this video, and go enjoy shopping. You should have gotten an email or a text message this morning, but if you didn't, you can go there now, and it'll automatically put 30% off in your cart when you go to checkout. Thanks so much for joining us, and of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.